A recent drone video suggests something quite remarkable is happening. Something that everyone didn't think would be happening this quickly. Drone footage captured the progress of Tesla's Cybertruck production at Gigafactory, Texas. The video reveals the installation of two massive 9,000-ton gigapresses, which are significant steps towards achieving mass production. Release candidates for the Cybertruck are expected in August, with customer deliveries targeted for the end of Q3 2023. It's clear that Tesla is gearing up for the next phase of this groundbreaking electric pickup truck. Experts who predicted that only a handful of Cybertrucks would be delivered this year may be proven wrong. In June, a considerable number of trucks have been built, and it will be interesting to see how many Tesla can produce this year. According to Tesla's order tracking information, which is not entirely accurate but gives a good estimate, there are over 1.8 million pre-orders for the Cybertruck. However, not all of them will be fulfilled, as it only requires a $100 refundable deposit. When the Cybertruck was first unveiled, three versions were announced. The $40,000 base version, which surprisingly received fewer orders, was a single-motor variant with a range of 250 miles. It was the cheapest electric truck known at the time. For $50,000, you can upgrade to a dual-motor variant of the Cybertruck with 300 miles of range and a 4.5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration. Surprisingly, a large number of people ordered this option. The tri-motor version, priced at $69,900, received a significant number of orders as well. Tesla claimed that this version would have a range of 500 miles, a 2.8-second 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration, and a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. Now, 4 years later, the Cybertruck lineup remains a complete mystery. It is intriguing to know what the specifications and prices will be. Tesla might discontinue the single-motor rear-wheel drive version and only offer the dual-motor and possibly tri-motor or quad-motor versions. While not confirmed, Tesla may use the plaid-motor version in the top-spec variant, which could cost $100,000 or more. It's important to note that the Cybertruck is larger than the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Rivian R1T. In terms of interior space and size, it's more comparable to a Ford F-250, while its exterior size is similar to a gasoline-powered F-150. The cheapest version of the Cybertruck could be around $60,000, but we might be optimistic.